Patriotism consists not in waving the flag, but in striving that our country shall be righteous as well as strong. Myself Adrika from class 11th Arts of DAV Model School, and my topic is patriotism, a virtue. So, what is patriotism? Patriotism means loyalty of a person to his or her own nation or the leaders of the nation. Patriotism is an emotional attachment to a nation which an individual recognizes as their homeland. Patriotism is the quality of being patriotic or vigorous support for one's country. Now, who is a patriot? A patriot is a person who is on the side of his or her own nation or its leaders. A patriot is someone who feels a strong support for their country. A patriot is a person who vigorously supports their country and is prepared to defend it against enemies or detractors. A patriot is a person who loves, supports, and defends his or her country and its interest with devotion. Patriotism is different from nationalism. Nationalist thinks that every ethnic group should have its own nation, so nations are to serve the people. In other words, in nationalism, the nation is just a tool to have freedom for an ethnic group, while in patriotism, the nation itself is the highest value. The feeling of patriotism is important for the freedom of a country. A patriot will always be ready to sacrifice his life for the love of his country. A patriot is immortal. Men love their own country. They do many things for the good of the country. This feeling for their country is called patriotism. Patriotism is one of the best virtues of men. It is a noble feeling of the mind. It is said that mother and motherland are superior to heaven. Patriotism is the great and selfless passion of love for one's country. To an Indian patriot, his mother and motherland are superior even to heaven. An Indian patriot is ever ready to lay down his life in the service of his country, India. Patriotism is not mere passive love for the country. A true patriot who loves India is an active worker. He works at heart and soul for the progress of his India and countrymen. He takes action for maintaining the sovereignty and glory of his motherland. One belief which seems to persist throughout debates is that of patriotism, with patriots throwing around accusations of people being unpatriotic. Why this should be considered an insult, I have no idea. Horrible things have been done in the name of patriotism, and does not take too far a step for a patriot to become a racist. What is there to be proud about the country you happened to be born in? The brilliant way in which we conquered other countries and stripped them of their resources? The way in which the democratic institutions which have been fought for around 800 years are still fundamentally flawed? The way in which the country is steadily declining and will soon cease to be a major power unless it is propped up by the other countries such as USA? Patriotism is a great thing, just depends on how you use it. Don't you love the country that you live in? You should be happy about your country, and patriotism is all that really is. I love my country extremely, but even though some people may use extreme patriotism to mock other countries or brag, it just depends on the extent. Most patriots are not rude, they just love where they live. Patriotism is an active virtue. It urges man to perform his duties honestly and devotedly. Patriotism makes man a good citizen who is always ready to serve his nation and to sacrifice for his nation. In short, it urges man to do every possible thing for his nation. So, we can be a good patriot by obeying all laws and rules, serving nation, voting in elections, and paying taxes. So to conclude, I would like to say that everybody must have patriotic feeling to make the country and themselves exist in a proper manner. Thank you.